Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting lesson in store for you. We are going to learn the names of various vehicles in Hindi, all while using English as our guide. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. In Hindi, a car is called gaadi. Now you try it. Gaadi. Excellent. I will repeat this. Car. Gaadi. Car. Gaadi. Now, let's move to the bike, which is motorcycle in Hindi. Give it a try. Motorcycle. Excellent. I will repeat this. Bike. Motorcycle. Bike. Motorcycle. Now, let's move to the bus, which is bus in Hindi. Give it a try. Bus. Excellent. I will repeat this. Bus. 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 Now, let's move to the train, which is railgadi in Hindi. Give it a try. Railgadi. Excellent. I will repeat this. Train. Railgadi. Train. Railgadi. Now, let's move to the bicycle, which is cycle in Hindi. Give it a try. Cycle. Excellent. I will repeat this. Bicycle. Cycle. Bicycle. Cycle. Now, let's move to the van, which is van in Hindi. Give it a try. Van. Excellent. I will repeat this. Van. 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 Now, let's move to the auto rickshaw, which is auto rickshaw in Hindi. Give it a try. Auto rickshaw. Excellent. I will repeat this. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. Car, gaadi. Bike, motorcycle. Bus, bus. Train, railgadi. Bicycle, cycle. Van, van. Auto rickshaw, auto rickshaw. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging language lessons. Also, let us know in the comments below if you'd like to learn more about different topics in Hindi. Dhanyavad.